What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer. And not too long ago, PlayStation announced a bunch of new colors coming to their DualSense controllers, as well as the faceplates for the PlayStation 5. And looky, they sent them over to us to check out. So today, we're gonna be unboxing the new colors that are gonna be available really soon. So let's jump right into it. All right, fellas, what do we open first? Do we save the faceplates for last? Yeah. Okay. So we'll start off with some DualSense controllers. So we've got some of the original colors over here. We've got the white, the midnight black, the cosmic red. And as for the new colors, we've got Nova pink, starlight blue, and galactic purple. So if you can't tell, there's a whole galaxy theme here. Which one do we open first? Carl, pick.
I'm picking the purple.
Yeah. I should have known. Carl loves purple. This looks clean, I'm not gonna lie. Listen, I'm not a huge fan of purple, and galactic purple's looking all right. It's not bad. How does it stack up against what we've got over here? You think it's missing something? What's it miss?
Blue.
Blue. We'll go for that next. Okay. No, this is better than the purple, bro.
It is.
Even you gotta admit it. This is so clean. I'm actually really proud of Sony. Sony, they usually take a little while to come out with different variations of like their colors and consoles. And they just hit us with like a bunch of new colors at once. I'm really excited to see special editions come, but for now, these colored controllers, they look super clean. I think for me personally, white stays at the top. Listen, something about the white controller looks...
It's crazy clean.
It's crazy, right? And the color options are nice, but the white still holds it for me at the top. But the blue, I think might be second. So for this Nova Pink, I've got some feelings about this one. Okay, Nova Pink. This is not bad looking at all, but for me, it's too close to the cosmic red. I'm not sure why we got two of like almost the same color, just different shades. Sony could have picked one or the other. I would have been fine with either one, just not both. Especially when green is missing, heck, even orange. You know, it's a missed opportunity here. Still looks good, but this could have easily been a different color. Or this one. But I will say though, these all look really good. Like you can't go wrong. Now, I don't know if you guys saw, but I did a recent video about just cool accessories that I've come across for the PlayStation 5. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can check it out. But at least with these, I don't know if you guys know this, but you can actually replace the black portion of the controller with other colors. This gives you more options for different kinds of combinations. Really inexpensive. You can find it on Amazon. I'll have those linked down below as well. With these new color options, you can get real crazy really fast. All right, favorite ones though. I mean, I think I made it clear. I think I prefer the white over all of them, but Carl, which one are you going for? Which is your absolute favorite here?
I might have to go with the blue.
The blue is tough.
It's too nice.
The blue is
It
tough.
hurts me to say.
Jay?
The blue.
Blue, Kevin.
I'm rocking with the red.
The cosmic red.
Yeah, I dig it.
Okay, that T-Mobile magenta, I feel you. I like it. Now, Sony didn't just come out with new colors for the DualSense controllers, they've also got new faceplates. Something that we saw coming a mile away and that a lot of third-party manufacturers have been making, but now we've got the official ones. Now, we've got the faceplates for the first colors that came out from the DualSense controllers. We've got cosmic red and of course, the black that everyone's been waiting for. So if you've been waiting for Sony to drop like a black PS5, scratch that. You get a PS5 and then you get the faceplates. All right, so I feel like we've seen a lot of black faceplates third-party faceplates already. We'll get to this, but I want to see what the Cosmic Red looks like. If you're wondering where the new colored faceplates are, those are going to be coming later in the year. As of right now, only these are going to be available for you guys to order. Okay, I mean, pretty simple packaging. And here you have them. Now, something that separates these from the rest, of course, is going to be this guy right here, that official PlayStation logo, as well as the etching for the triangle, X, square, circle buttons. You're gonna see that all engraved right here. But yeah, let's get this swapped. Okay, now putting them on should be relatively simple. And then you slide them up. You hear the click, and on the other side, there you go. Now I will say, the official Sony faceplates, very easy to pop on. I've encountered with third-party faceplates a lot of struggles, trust me. But either way, this is a Cosmic Red PS5 right here in the flesh. What do we think, guys? We like this one, or is it just too much color on the PS5? It's cool, but you gotta have like a very particular setup, I feel like, to have a color this bold and this large. Now, I do like this on its own, but like I said, it might clash with a setup unless you're looking for that pop of color. But this is kind of cool though. Like if you got a desk setup maybe with some consoles there and you want to have this fit your theme, I'm just loving the fact that you can pick up color options, so the choice is pretty much yours. All right, now the black. This is what everybody's been waiting for, right? An official black PS5. Let's check that out. Oh, didn't think about that. If you want that two-face look. Oh.
I think that's kind of fire.
Who's paying for two faceplates to get this look? Oh, I do wonder what a black and white one looks like.
Black and white.
All right. Let's do that before we look at the all black. What are we thinking? We're not.
It doesn't have the wow factor.
It doesn't.
Yeah, it's nice. But
doesn't have the.
Black was like, okay, oh yeah.
Doesn't have the pop of color.
Yeah.
Got you. Here it is, you guys. The official all black PS5. I mean, this is what a lot of people said it should have looked like from the start. I personally don't agree. I love the way it came out, all the white and black. But yeah, it's officially here. I think I really want to get my hands on the Starlight Blue though. Starlight Blue is gonna look pretty killer. So regardless of which version of the PlayStation you have, faceplates will be $54.99. But yes, huge shout out to Sony for sending this out so that we can check out the new colors for ourselves. Listen, you can't go wrong, they all look good, but you just gotta think about how your setup looks and if the colors will match your vibe. But that about wraps it up, you guys. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing, checking out all of the new colors. I mean, these are great looking controllers, so the hardware is absolutely there. And with what's available on the third-party market for the controllers, you can get some really nice looking stuff. But yeah, till the next video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.
For the safety of your hand, I feel like I should take the new controllers home and try them out.
Safety of my, what are you even
I'm
saying?
just being careful.
Get out, go.